overthinking it, but I know the price of wood and steel has jumped. People are still building. There's still builders that are like, yeah, I want more land. Like that's not yet an issue.
I'm building 2 houses right now.
Okay.
Not me, my contractor is. We're doing a luxury tree house.
Yeah.
Divide, Colorado. And the only reason why we're doing it is because we had a piece of land that we've had a hard time selling because it was a massive slope. But we've had multiple buyers say, no, too much of a slope. Don't know what to do. So I called my contractor and said, can you build me a tree house? And we're going to put it on Airbnb and rent it out for $700 a night. And then
awesome.
Another piece of land that I'm doing a joint venture with, it's on a golf course. He's one of my students. And we've struck great friendship together. He got the land for $1,000 and the seller already paid on a lot that's worth $10,000 plus the $16,000 impact fee. So we technically got a $26,000 lot for $1,000. So we're building a house on it. One of our contractors is building a house on it. So yes, prices are going up, but here's the thing: when there's no inventory,
yeah, it is what it is.
Things go. Okay.